here's my quadratic equation, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to move the 71 to this side. I just prefer to do it like that so that I can work with the right-hand side and complete the square. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to factor out a 2 from here, and that's going to leave me with x squared minus 12x. Because 2 times x squared is 2x squared, and 2 times a negative 12 is a negative 24x. And I'm going to complete my square here. So I'm going to get that negative 12 divided by 2. That gives me a negative 6. When I square that, it gives me 36. 36 is my missing factor, so that's what I'm going to add there. So remember that what you do to one side of your equation, you always have to do to the other. So if I can't just add the 36 because I want to, I added the 36 because that's what's going to help me complete my perfect square trinomial. And actually, I didn't just add 36 on the right. I added 72 because 2 times 36 is 72. So if I add 72 on the right side, I have to add 72 on the left side. So now my equation becomes y plus 1 is equal to 2 times x minus 6 squared. And this x minus 6 squared comes from this trinomial here. And it's actually, maybe I should just do this. It's x minus 6 times x minus 6, because if I FOIL these two out, you're going to get that. So my next step would be y plus 1 is equal to 2 times x minus 6 quantity squared. And then now I'm going to move my 1 over to the right side because I want to write it in vertex form. So that would be y equals 2 times x minus 6 squared minus the 1. Now I can identify the vertex. The vertex is always going to be the h and the k. And it turns out that this is my h here and this is my k here. And according to my rule, the vertex always, because this is the same thing as